this senator here, Senator Nwoko, he has been trying to take part of Edo land to his Anioma states where they create. They don't even have some villages where Edo say that, so they want to create Anioma state. So there's a zonal meeting, a zonal public hearing in Uyo, organized by the Senate, South for South. So here is about the state creation, local government new creation, and things happening in the South to discuss it, discuss the way forward for South. So every senators were there, except our almighty Neda Imaswen. He was not there. Anything that want to bring light to Edo, they not they see Neda for them. Neda they forbid development. When you see Neda, you don't know say na enemy to development. Neda was not there. So our very own humble Senator Adam Soshomole, representing the Edo North, he was there. So at least stand for us. Edo South, yes, he stood for us. He saw the memo and he promised to work on it, because this man, Senator Ned Nwoko here, is trying so hard to make sure say in carve Igbanke, carve Abudu, get some other company, other villages there. Oh na name they call them. They call Ogan. I don't understand this. I don't understand this Senator Ned Nwoko. I don't know why he's so bent on taking our brothers in Delta. He want to take them to Southeast, according to him. He want to carry them across the bridge. Yes, that's one of their concern. Now the youth for them, and they will come talk say whether they like him or not. That is one of my concern. My concern is this our senator, this Senator Neda Imaswen. Oga Neda, not be me talk am. I go put the video for comment section. They say Ned Nwoko don't pay you. Now I make you not come the meeting. Now waiting they talk. Not be me talk. Now Ned Nwoko boys, now I talk am. Say Ned don't bribe everybody. Nobody get anything to talk again. Now I make you Neda Imaswen not come represent your Edo South. Because last time I checked, oh God, they Edo South. All those villages where Ned Nwoko one carry join in your own Anioma state where in the dream of. All of them there Edo South. You never want to raise voice, me you talk. What happened for Igbanke recently? I know you had pen for your mouth, you not talk. When me and you, except you not do history. We know that Igbanke is pure Benin. For the first time, some people can't settle for there now. They can't claim as their land. Not be their land. Oh God, it's pure Benin. We know, me and you know. I did this in school for 4 years. Pure Edo people, not them be. You know, so if you get village, maybe say now only 4 or 5 people they stay in the village. People will come visit, come more than people. It go influence them. I'm telling you guys the truth. But you see this Oga Neda. Oga Neda not talk. Now they go put soundboard for where they're not supposed to put soundboard. Say, hey, Igbanke is Igbo. When Igbanke come turn to Igbo, they go to say they Enoge na Obi. But that same Onoge, they receive salary from governor since so he not talk saying na Igbo. All of them are on that government they pay them. They be receiving the salary since he not talk. Now the next thing they go snap picture with Ned Nwoko said, and they were even there yesterday. They did Uyo yesterday. Neda was nowhere to be found, if not for Adam Soshomole that came to our rescue. Adam said it, no land of Edo is going to anywhere. Not even one by one. It was 100 by 100. Not even one by one of Edo is going to any place. If you read the history of Edo, Edo long reach Onitsha. Yes, it is in your history books now. No, don't cut. You know, see they cut and they go. I don't know who send Ned Nwoko come back on the cut Edo into pieces. How can you carry your people who has history? Now you want to go and take them to where? I know it will not work. None of Edo land, not even one by one, is going to anywhere.
Okay, my people, you all have heard what that Ilebinu hybrid from Ilefe said. She said that Senator Ned Nwoko is trying to take part of Edo land to Anioma State. Senator Ned Nwoko is not trying to take Benin people. He is trying to take his Igbo brothers to Anioma State. He's trying to bring back Igbo speaking people in Edo State back to Anioma State. Why are Benin people crying over this issue? Igbanke people are not Benin speaking people. Ika people are Igbos. So when we say that Senator Ned Nwoko is trying to carve out people from Edo State, he is not trying to carve out Benin speaking people. Edo State does not belong to Benin. Edo South does not belong to Benin. There are other tribes there known as Igbo people. Is Edo South a tribe? Is Edo South an ethnic group? Edo South is just the name of a geographical location in that Edo state. Igbanke people are Igbos, indigenous in that Edo South. So you Benin people have no right to tell Igbanke people where they belong. You have no right. She said that the senator of Edo South called Neda did not come to the public hearing. Whether Neda come or not come, waiting Neda won't do. What are you expecting your senator called Neda to do? If you come waiting, you won't talk. Make it talk, say no part of Edo State will be joined to Anioma State. You not get power reach there in the sense that now people where they go talk where they won't belong. We are in democracy. We are not in military regime where the military will just make a decree. These people there, here, nobody go fit talk. We are in democratic regime where people decide where they want to belong. People decide where they want to be. There is freedom of belonging. I don't know why these Benin people are so bitter. They follow their name. Benin means bitterness. Angry people. Vexation. Anger. That is the meaning of Ile Ibinu. Oramia called them that name. She said that Adams Oshomole was there and that he said that no part of Edo State will be added to Anioma State. For your information, Adams Oshomole came late to the public hearing in Uyo, Akwa Ibom State. He not even there when the thing starts. He not even carry mic talk. He not talk anything for there. What he want talk? Adams Oshomole made no speech there. Even before the public hearing finish, Adam Oshomole begin go house. He left that place. Which time he tell us say he go stop Igbanke people not to join Anioma State. He knows that Igbanke people are not Benin people. So you Benin people, are just trying to console yourselves, make you just come video talk. For part of the video, she said that one Benin woman was seeing what we were saying in Twitter, and she was like crying, "Oh, Igbo don't take our land finish you." And she was telling the woman, "Madam, calm down, nothing is happening." You people are crying, you can't stop it. And una go cry. Una mind no go touch ground, una go cry. Adam Oshomole cannot stop Igbanke people and other Ika people in Edo State not to join Anioma State. Those Ika people in Edo State, they are not Benin people. You people are land thieves. To thief they will blow. You people are thieves. We know that it's because of the crude oil in Igbanke that you people are trying to kill yourself because of Igbanke issue. The kings in Igbanke land have told you people severally that they are not Benin people. They have told you severally that they have no ancestry traced to Benin. Yet you Benin people now no one rest. You keep fighting a lost battle. Una they lose, una still they fight. Adam Oshomole will not see Mike talk. Now I won't stop Igbanke people from joining Anioma State. Make you go Igbanke, tell them, will you people remain in the Edo State? They will tell them, say, bia. We will never remain in Edo State. We are Igbo people. Your urban not fit change the identity of Igbanke people. It can't be you, small girl, small picking like this. Small picking. Those of you Benin people that are online barking like dogs during the time that your urban suspended the Igbanke case. We do this, we do Igbanke people that. Wait till I don't feel do now. Public hearing for you. We dey wait for una make una come. None of una Benin people show for there. They say Adam Oshomole was there to represent her. Why you not come? Why you not send all those Benin dogs me they come? Make we see what una go do for them. Make we take slap. It's so bad for a young girl like this to come online and be saying rubbish. Imagine forcing people who don't have anything in common with you to remain in their present location. They won't join their brothers on they fight them. You know, she say, "Una not know a problem." You don't know your problem. The easiest way for Benin people to finish now this Igbo matter una carry for head because on our own problem, internal problem they kill una. Yet now Igbo matter they kill una. Look at Yoruba people. Instead of that to focus on their problems, they thought that Igbo people will be their problem. Are Igbos the ones implementing Sharia law in Yoruba land? No. Are Igbos the one that took Ilorin from them? No. Are Igbos the ones killing them, using them for sacrifice? No. Look at the ritual killings everywhere in Yoruba land. Are Igbos the ones doing it? No. Yet Yoruba people, they see Igbos as their problem. And that evil way they consume them will consume them. That evil that is ravaging Yoruba land from within will consume them. It will destroy them. Because now food, they won't quench fire with another person's house. Yet in house they burn. Also why? The easiest way for any tribe in the south to destroy itself is to leave her own problem and be focusing on Igbo land, seeing the Igbos as his problem. Una never see anything. You people will use your hand and sink that your Bini. Una go sink with that Bini because una know they focus on a problem. Look at court killings in those states. Every day youths for Bini they die. Killings everywhere. That one not be a problem. I don't even know how to stop that court killings. Now I say Igbanke people want join their brothers be a problem. Then she said that Senator Ned Nwoko wants to take their brothers in Edo South, such as Igbanke, Ogan, and others to the southeast. She said that it's left for the youth in Anioma to decide whether they will join southeast or not. She said saying that Igbanke people are of Bini origin, people they deny you now. When I see the force on herself on those people, you people are unity beggars. Nobody they beg unity for this country past Bini people. We Igbos, we are telling our Igbo speaking brothers that are denying their Igbo identity that we are Igbos, yet you people are calling us unity beggars. Now, you Bini people that are forcing yourselves on people that don't speak your language, are you people not unity beggars? You Bini people are so desperate, chasing shadows. You are ready to kill yourself just to make sure that Igbanke people will not join Anioma State. But if you kill yourself, you just kill yourself for nothing. Igbanke people are saying every day that they are not Bini people. They are telling their history everywhere. You are still crying, saying that Igbanke people are Bini people. She said that the youth in Anioma should decide whether they want to join Southeast or South-South. Whether any youth in Anioma likes it or not, we Anioma people must make sure that we are being zoned to the Southeast where we belong. Nobody from Anioma will stop we not to join Southeast where we belong. Nobody. We speak Igbo language and we are expected to be in a region where our language is being spoken. When they speak, we hear. When we speak, they hear. So you Bini people, where they say we not be one people with una, we not go follow you Bini people stay for South-South. Doing what in South-South? We they run from South-South say that they marginalize us for South-South. Una still want us to get Anioma to remain for South-South. It not go work. No king from Anioma, no king. No king, no matter that king, no king can stop Anioma State not to be zoned to the Southeast. We not go allow kings to decide our fate for us. Igwe now where we the crowd talk say that we go there, now we go there. We Igbos are not people that respect our king to our bone marrow, even if our king dey wrong. We go dey bow to and they respect and no, we are not like that in Igbo land. Majority is king Igwe. Now what the community talk, their king go do for them. Their king is there to serve the people. And the people are also there to serve him. They work together to make their place a better place. So any king for Anioma we don't want to make we go south is he's an enemy to his people and he's an enemy to other Anioma people. So now if he say una dey fear una king, we say other Anioma people dey fear una king. No one fears any king in Igbo land. We not dey fear any king. The power of a king is in his community. Now then power there, so that king not get that power to keep we Anioma people for South. It's not possible. No youth from Anioma can stop us from being zoned to the Southeast. Who be that youth? Who is that youth? We are no longer in the time whereby old men decide our fates. Now we the youth go decide our fates. And we are here to wake other youths up. Make them know what they do. Make them know say we have to make sure that we are involved in politics. We have to put people that will represent us in politics to do what we want, to better our place, to provide jobs opportunities for our people. Anioma State will benefit every Igbo speaking people. Anioma State will benefit Anioma people the most. It will benefit Igbanke people the most. Igbanke people will have their own local governments. Who will marginalize them? Nobody. But you Benin people are still forcing Igbanke people who are Igbo speaking people to remain in the those they make una they marginalize them. Poor are poor you Benin people spit for face. You cannot stop Igbanke people from joining Anioma State. Your senator self cannot stop Igbanke from joining Anioma State. There's freedom of belonging. Are you the owner of Edo State? No. If they want to divide Edo State into 20 parts, they go divide them. There are so many tribes in Edo State. Igala are there. Are you not claiming that you own the land that those Igala people occupy? All those Afemai, all those Auchi, then they there. Are you not claiming that you own their land? If they say they don't want their part of Edo State, they say they won't get their own state. Will you people stop them? She said that Anioma youths on Twitter said that Senator Ned Nwoko have paid Neda not to talk or come for the public hearing. It's all lies. In the first day of that public hearing, after we represented in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo, and in Enugu State, we held a Twitter space meeting, a live session, and we started discussing on what happened there. Igbanke people were fully present in Uyo and in Enugu State. Anioma people were there, both Ukwuani people, Ika people, we were there. What all of us were saying that we want Anioma State and we want it to be zoned to the southeast. None of them said that they want to be in south. All of them said now southeast, southeast, southeast. We held that Twitter space. None of us said that Senator Ned paid Neda. Who be Neda? I don't even know who be Neda. Now I even hear the name Neda. What we said was that Senator Ned followed every legal procedure for Anioma State agitation. That was what we said. I did that live. I was there talking. Deputy Jesus was there talking. So how this Yeye come out with that lie? I don't know for them. They have to lie. I thought I said all this rubbish when they talk the end for that on our post. The end for on our comment section. We did here grant they walk to see say we actualize Anioma State and say it goes out is now you when just this social media carrying like proof of it, they talk rubbish and you won't stop them. People should be careful with these Benin people. During that presidential election, this guy was using P2B to chase clout. They press P2B, they press Igbo people to get followers. After that election, say P2B no come be president of Nigeria. She can't start to show her full color. They claim say na Benin get Anambra State, na Benin get Enugu, na Benin get Anioma, na Benin get Abia, na Benin get Igbo, na Benin get Ebonyi, na Benin get Togo, na then get Cameroon, na then get the whole Rebuttal, na then get the entire West Africa. That was how she lost her fame. Every Igbo people started to unfollow her. Nobody know her again. See as her face be like person who drink frog water. She said that Neda did not say anything concerning what happened in Igbanke. Waiting you want to make Neda talk concerning that Igbanke issue. When your Oba suspended the kings of Igbanke people, you want to make Neda come the support on our Oba. Waiting Neda won't do. If to say Neda do anything, we the Igbo race, we not go agree, we go follow the matter up. I'm telling you people that nothing you Benin people can do about it. What you want Neda do? Make he dethrone Igbanke kings. Enough he try am. You can't dethrone our kings or suspend our kings. At the time I say we not did that era where social media not day again. Anything they happen with the same on social media and we will start to follow that thing up. Your governor self, the governor of Edo State, Okwebolo, he not go fit suspend the Igbanke kings. And Igbanke kings of Benin origin, no. Now about Benin they crown them, no. The document of 1934, during the colonial era, they wrote it down that Igbanke kings are called Obi and not Enogie. The history of how Igbanke kings adopted Enogie title is there. It's there everywhere for internet. Igbanke people are saying it. Their kings are saying it. So, not if you say, on our governor, on our senator, go fit do anything. Igbanke people are 100% on the safer side. They are 100% saying the truth. You people are just lying, trying to claim Igbanke. And that was why your governor did not say anything. Governor Ukwuani said nothing. Because some people go don't call them to order. Tell and say, bro, come on for this matter. These Benin people are evil people. They are lying. They are the ones looking for Igbanke trouble. So more than if you say all our politicians now mumu like ona. Your politicians are not fools. That was why your governor respected himself. He is doing the right thing. Now one governor not talk. And now why this one senator will be Neda not they talk. What do you want to do? Make you stop people who say they don't want their Edo State again. Are those people Benin people? Our governor, our senator did not say anything concerning the Igbanke issue. And you people are invaders from Ile-Ife and you still keep that invader blood. And we are here resisting you people. Ekumeku is bigger than invader. We resisted British invasion. It can't be Benin. She said that Neda did not say anything concerning the signboards in Igbanke that was changed from Enogie to Obi. And that Igbanke kings have been collecting salary from Edo State government for years without claiming that they are Igbo. Igbanke people did the right thing. They are not Enogies. They are not chiefs to your Oba. Igbanke kings are equal to your Oba. As your Oba na king for Benin, Igbanke kings are kings in Igbanke land. Your Oba have no right. Your Oba have no single right to suspend a king like him. Igbanke kings are first class kings. They are royal majesties and not royal highness. If you are not guessing, make una guess sense. They have been there, they have been existing in that land before Oduduwa, your grand ancestor was born. They were there before Oramian that gave birth to you Ile people was born. Igbanke is as old as Benin Kingdom. He's older than Benin. Igbo self is older than Benin Kingdom. And you Benin people are online backing. Like I always say, history will always betray you people. History they betray una. Una see the first one herself, history will keep betraying you people. Una governors and senators not be mumu like una. That was why Governor Ukwuani said nothing. He knows the truth. This your senator, he said nothing because he knows the truth. He gets sense. What you want make you go there go they talk? What you want make you go there they talk? Make you go there they disgrace yourself? You Benin people, una not even feel go command the signboard. Una they fear. What are you people afraid of? Go now. Make Igbanke people take slap. Igbanke that you know now is not the Igbanke of before. Igbanke know who they are. Their eye don't open. See, say you people are just using them to cash out. They collect where they land, they cash out, yet they are not developing. Now they want to join their brother to develop. You people are crying. Una go cry. Una just start to cry. You people will cry. She said that Igbanke kings were taking salary from Edo state government. That time that none of them were claiming that they are Igbo people. But now they're not claiming that they are Igbo people. They pass through marginalization that time. They don't know how to liberate themselves. They endure the insults where your Oba they give them. You people have insulted the Igbanke kings for so long. Now as your Oba can suspend them, now they say no. You don't too much. You don't have the right to suspend us. Who are you? That was where the Igbo unification movement came in. Say no. You know if you suspend our kings for this century where we did. Now lie. Chukudwam, Igbanke kings mount their guard. Nothing will happen. You people cannot do anything. You suspend person king, you still get out. They call Igbanke king, say no gay. May Chuku punish you this guy. You know go better for you. You know go better for people who born you. Igbanke kings like they call it no gay. May Chuku punish you. Go Igbanke go change their signboard from Obi to Enoge. Igbanke kings have stopped taking salary from Edo state government. They are still surviving. So make you know say that salary will not be anything. Igbanke kings are doing well, they are doing fine. They want to leave Edo states to develop their land, to develop their community, for their youth to have job, to make Igbanke great again. Imagine Igbanke people are the ones building their own roads, building their own schools. They are the ones paying their teachers. Everything in Igbanke, they are the ones using their heart to build that thing. You Benin people were nowhere to be found. No position where Igbanke people they occupy for that Edo state. No position where they occupy for that their local government. And you idiots are here claiming that Igbanke people are Benin people. All of us, they drag Igbanke people. Not go better for now. You people cannot stop Anioma state from being a reality. South already have 6 states. Southeast have 5. Only one state will be created in this South. Only one state, and that state is Anioma state. The Southeast we have one more Igbo state called Anioma state, and it's unstoppable. Nobody can stop Anioma state from being naturalized and zoned to the Southeast. Igbanke people are Anioma people. Iru people are Anioma people. The Ika people in Edo State are Anioma people. We are going to the Southeast and nobody can divide us. Ishiewale.